Hi, this is Leah from Imagine DIY and I'm back again with another tutorial to show you how to make this really pretty invitation. It has a big flouncy bow and some really nice graphics included. So all the product list is available on our website imaginediy.co.uk, and also the downloadable graphics file so you can just enter your text, print and go. So I'm going to show you how we assemble it. And we're going to start with this white extravaganza laser cut invitation. And we're just opening it up, and I've pre-cut a piece of sage green paper to 14.5 centimeters, and I'm just going to stick that into place using a double-sided tape runner. I'm just running it out along the outside edges and across the middle, and then we're going to stick it into place in the center of the invitation. There. Make sure your borders are nice and even as you do this. So now we've got the printed invitation panel. As I said, this is available for download on our website, and you're just printing onto one of the inserts and cutting down to size using a cutting board. So I think the finished size on this is 12 centimeters, and we're just sticking that into place in the center of the invitation. The RSVP card, again, that's the templates are available, and we just pop that inside. So now we're going to take the ribbon and we're going to measure out roughly about 6 times the width of the invitation and then cut it off with the scissors. And then if you find the centre of the ribbon and place the centre flat down on a flat surface and pop the invitation on top. We're then going to cross the ribbon to the centre and just tie a knot just by folding one end of the ribbon over the other. There. And if you stick your finger, so pull it tight first, stick your finger in the centre, and you should then be able to tie another knot over the top, and it will hold it securely into place. So now we're going to tie the bow, and the best way to do this is to turn it upside down. We're going to create a loop, wrap the ribbon around, and in the hole where your thumb is, we're just going to push the opposite end of the ribbon through and make another loop. So turn your bow back the right way round and then just flip it over. And we're just going to tease it into place then. So you just kind of pull and stretch and pull and stretch until you've got it the shape you want. There, so just a little bit of teasing. So once you've done that and you're happy with the size and the shape of your bow, you're then just going to use a really sharp scissors to just trim off the edges. I like to trim it into an inverted V shape because it just gives a really nice finish, and it also stops it from fraying. So there we go. Once we've done that, you then have your finished beautiful invitation. And as I said earlier, all the product list, the downloadable templates, all the products are available for purchase on our website www.imaginediy.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Bye.